Did you know that fintech companies are now worth over $1 trillion globally? With digital-only banks, mobile payment apps, and blockchain technology reshaping the financial landscape, many are wondering, are traditional banks doomed in a fintech world? In this video, we'll explore the rise of fintech, the challenges facing traditional banks, and what the future holds for the banking industry. Let's dive in. Fintech, short for financial technology, has exploded in recent years. Companies like Stripe, Revolut, and Square have revolutionized how we handle money, offering faster, cheaper, and more convenient services than traditional banks. Key drivers of fintech's rise include digital-first solutions. Fintech companies leverage technology to offer seamless user experiences, lower costs. Without the overhead of physical branches, fintechs can offer lower fees. Innovation. From mobile payments to blockchain, fintechs are at the forefront of financial innovation. But does this mean traditional banks are on their way out? Let's take a closer look. Traditional banks are facing significant challenges in this fintech-driven world. Outdated infrastructure. Many banks still rely on legacy systems that are slow and expensive to maintain. High operational costs. Physical branches and large workforces increase overhead. Customer expectations. Today's consumers demand digital-first, 24/7 banking services. As a result, traditional banks are losing market share to more agile fintech competitors. But does this spell the end for traditional banking? Not necessarily. Traditional banks aren't sitting idle. Many are adapting to the fintech revolution by investing in digital transformation. Banks are upgrading their systems and launching mobile apps to compete with fintechs. Some banks are collaborating with fintech companies to offer innovative services. Others are buying fintechs to integrate their technology and talent. These efforts show that traditional banks are fighting back, but are they doing enough? So, what does the future hold for banking? The answer likely lies in collaboration, not competition. Traditional banks and fintechs may merge their strengths, combining trust and scale with innovation and agility. Regulations like PSD2 in Europe are encouraging banks to share data with fintechs, creating a more interconnected financial ecosystem. The winners will be those who prioritize customer needs, whether they're traditional banks or fintechs. The future of banking isn't about one side winning, it's about evolution and coexistence. So, are traditional banks doomed in a fintech world? The answer is no, but they must adapt to survive. Fintechs have disrupted the industry, but traditional banks still have strengths like trust, scale, and regulatory expertise. The future of banking will likely be a blend of old and new, where traditional banks and fintechs work together to serve customers better. What do you think? Are traditional banks here to stay, or will fintechs take over? Let us know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more insights on fintech and banking. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.